My name is Carlos Cadavid. I belong to the Industrial Engineering program from the ECBTI school in the UNAT. This time I'm going to tell you a spoiler about the short film. This short film is explaining the pandemic to myself from the past. In January 2020, Julie is surprised with herself from 4 months in the future. Julie initially wants to know good news about what will happen. Julie from the future told her details about the benefits on climate change, although she confessed that the show it posted on Facebook, but she seemed credible. Then she told her the bad news. Among these, told she that her is going to want to pull all his investment, and she advised her just get everything out of the stock market and put a little money in Zoom, the conferencing app. Also, she advised her to have a hobby to keep her busy, or for example, to have a dog, but even of it if she wanted a dog, because of her work that requires traveling a lot. It would not be convenient. At that moment, Julie from the future logged a lot. You won't be working. She recommended that you take vitamins, exercise, and strengthen your lung and body. Julie is scared, but Julie from the future calmed her down and tells her that it won't be so bad, at least for her, because it wouldn't be bad for her to spend a good time at home watching Netflix.